Did you know that rumbling sound in your gut? It's not just a cry for pizza. It's a fascinating phenomenon called borborygmi. Does your stomach growl louder when you're actually not hungry? Share this with your friend who's always hungry. And don't forget to subscribe if you found these facts interesting. Actually, those noises are your digestive system at work, a sign of muscle contractions pushing air, gas, and partially digested food through your small intestine. It happens all the time, not just when you're hungry.